Ochard Sanitation is the sixth and the last component of the African fruit fly package, IPM package. It is very important because poorly managed or abandoned orchards can result in high population buildup of the fruit flies. Ochard Sanitation entails the collection and destruction of all infested fruit found on the trees, as well as all the falling rotten fruits containing the eggs of fruit flies or maggots of fruit flies. This can contribute significantly to the reduction of fruit fly population in the orchards. These fallen fruits can serve as reservoirs for parasitoids which kill fruit flies. Therefore, all the collected fruits can be destroyed or composed by dumping them in an augmentorum rather than burying them or bagging them or burning them so as to kill the fruit fly larvae. Therefore, the augmentorum serves a double purpose of field sanitation and conservation of natural enemies. The augmentorum, as you see, is a net-like structure screened particularly to allow to retain or sequester fruit flies which emerge from the collected fruits that were deposited through a sleeve when the farmers collect them from the farms. Now, at the same time, this augmentorum allows for the escape of natural enemies like the parasitoids through a mesh-like structure at the top, which is a yellow component that is specially designed to allow for the parasitoids to escape, while the fruit flies will all be trapped inside the net and they're all going to die. Now, in the absence of the augmentorum, there are several other traditional methods which can be used by farmers. The first method can be bagging, where farmers destroy collected fruits by putting them in tight black plastic bags and then exposing them to the heat of the sun for a few days so as to kill all the fruit fly maggots. Now, the second method is burying the fruits collected. Now, these fruits, when farmers engage in burying the fruits, the infested fruit they collect from their farms, they have to make sure that the fruits are buried at least 50 centimeter deep so as to prevent the fruit flies that emerge from the collected fruits. The third method is burning, where farmers collect the fruits, put them together and then burn them so as to kill all the fruit fly maggots found in them. And the last component, the last traditional method is where farmers collect all the fruits and then feed them to animals like pigs or cows. But in this method, they have to make sure that fruit peels should not be allowed for more than a day. Now, this traditional method, although they are they can be effective, the limitation there is that all the parasitoids which are efficient in controlling the fruit fly species, both indigenous and exotic parasitoids, are all killed alongside as with the fruit fly larvae, and therefore is not as cost effective as the use of the augmentorum.